Everything you need to know about NFTs. How much do you know about NFTs? An NFT is a digital asset that can be physical objects such as art, music, in game objects, and videos. The transaction of NFTs can only be done online, mostly with cryptocurrency. These are generally encrypted using the basics of the software that many use for crypto. Although these NFTs have been around since 2014, they are now gaining more recognition as they become a unique way to buy and sell digital artwork. In 2021, the market price of NFTs was worth an incredible amount of $41 billion alone. NFTs are unique because they have very distinctive identification codes or very limited editions. So, why are people today willing to spend millions on NFTs? In today's video, I will be explaining to you all about NFTs. Let's begin. What is blockchain? As in accounting, you use a general ledger to record all of a company's transactions. The blockchain works similarly. The only difference is that it is digital and does not have a physical accountant to monitor the transactions. This is done through a huge peer-to-peer network of computers that monitor and verify the accuracy of the blockchain around the clock. And if someone tries to manipulate the blockchain, everyone will notice. Plus, it takes an incredible amount of computing power to do this. The ledger takes care of itself. And if you have any questions, all you have to do is check the records on the blockchain. The immutability of blockchain gives NFTs their attractive value. With NFTs, every transaction, especially one with ownership, is recorded and verified on the blockchain, mostly on Ethereum. Growing trend of NFTs. In March 2021, an NFT was sold for $69.3 million, representing a record purchase for digital artwork. In the past year, the NFT market has almost surpassed the global traditional art market. After the NFT market at the beginning of the year with a market capitalization of almost $1 billion. They provide a greater degree of ownership and control over digital assets. This is especially important for collectors who want to ensure that their assets are not subject to censorship or seizure. As NFTs continue to gain traction, there are an increasing number of applications and platforms built around them. This has led to a new era of digital asset ownership and innovation, one that is ripe with opportunities for investors and entrepreneurs alike. Blockchain technology and NFTs offer artists and content creators a unique opportunity to monetize their goods. Artists, for example, no longer rely on galleries or auction houses to sell their art. Instead, the artist can sell it directly to the consumer as an NFT, which also allows them to retain more of the profits. In addition, artists can program royalties to receive a percentage of the revenue when their art is sold to a new owner. This is an attractive feature because artists generally don't receive future proceeds after their art is first sold. Art isn't the only way to make money from NFTs. Brands like Charmin and Taco Bell have auctioned off themed NFT art to raise funds for charity. Nyan Cat, a 2011 GIF of a cat with a Pop-Tart body, sold for nearly $600,000, and NBA Top Shot generated more than $500 million in revenue. A single NFT highlight from LeBron James brought in more than $200,000. Even celebrities like Justin Bieber and Logan Paul jump on the NFT bandwagon, posting unique memories, artwork, and moments as securitized NFTs. How is an NFT different from cryptocurrency? NFTs are usually created using the same type of programming as cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin or Ethereum. But this is where the similarity ends. Physical money and cryptocurrencies are fungible. This means they can be traded or exchanged with each other. They are also equivalent. $1 is always worth another dollar. One Bitcoin is always the same as another Bitcoin. The fungibility of crypto makes it a trusted means of conducting transactions on the blockchain. NFTs are a bit different. Each one has a digital signature that makes it impossible for NFTs to be exchanged with each other or to be equal. These are not fungible. An NBA Top Shot clip, for instance, is not the same as everyday's just because they both are NFTs. Future of NFTs. The digitization of art and the rise of blockchain technology and NFTs have shifted the many players and influencers in the space to make their art more representative of the world around us. With the increasing democratization of art and art spaces comes access for different people and groups who are traditionally underrepresented in the field. That's what art aims for. Art has the ability to give us insights into worldviews and experiences that lie outside of our own, and allow us to broaden and challenge our perspective. The industry needs to focus on raising different voices in this area and providing crypto education opportunities for underserved creators and communities. NFTs also lay the basis for a future where patronage looks very different. Since blockchain transactions are brokered directly and not through third parties, collectors and fans can directly support their favorite artist or creator. Moreover, NFT ownership allows for fractionation or partial ownership, through which fans or collectors can have a share in the future revenues of artists and their works. World's largest NFT marketplace. OpenSea is ancient to NFT standards. It was launched in 2017 and is also one of the largest NFT marketplaces active today. It is home to many popular NFTs, including art, music, photography, trading cards, and virtual worlds. The core cryptocurrencies used on OpenSea are Ethereum and Solana, and the payment options include other cryptos as well. Just note that you can't use fiat currencies like US dollars or euros. On the plus side, OpenSea is very user-friendly for beginners. You can set up an account for free within minutes and start browsing NFTs right away, and you can even create NFTs on their platform. As a cost, OpenSea charges a fee of 2.5% for each transaction. You will also have to pay the gas fee for completing NFT transactions with Ethereum. Gas fees are the transaction fees paid to the miners. In short, OpenSea is a solid choice for beginners who start with a straightforward marketplace and want as many options as possible for NFTs. Why should you invest in NFTs? Gone are the days when people were skeptical and thought twice before investing in a digital product instead of stocks and real estate. It's not that investing in stocks, bonds, real estates, etc. has become old school. But as we move into the digital world, people have begun to deviate from traditional investment methods and adapt to the novel practice of investing in digital assets. We are in a process of withdrawal from purely physical world to an increasingly immersive and synthetic digital world, where we spend a significant portion of our conscious time. The desire to have a status symbol in this online world is no longer surprising. The NFT hype that is now emerging as an investment opportunity is also partly because many celebrities are voyaging into it and giving it credibility. NFT trading volume increased to $10.7 billion in the third quarter of 2021, up 704% sequentially. Moreover, the NFT market is getting bigger as cryptocurrency exchange Coinbase and auction house Sotheby's have both announced their plans to open their own marketplace for NFTs soon. In addition, Nike has just acquired virtual shoe company RTFKT, which makes NFTs and sneakers for the metaverse. Such large and reputable organizations entering the NFT market will definitely expand the user base in the near future. So you can easily consider investing in NFTs as it is rapidly taking over the world. By far, you must have gotten an idea about NFTs and how they work. NFTs are all over our future, and their trend is not going down anytime soon. However, approach NFTs just like you would any other investment. Do your research, understand the risks, and proceed with caution. Hopefully, you'll earn profits as you voyage into its space like many others. So that's all for today. I hope you found this video informative and see you in the next one. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you're new here and hit the bell icon for future updates.